bafethu kunjani eGamora Mingthini Mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one and ngihamba ngiyi-one bafethu. I know mhlawumbe focus is shifting to AFCON and everybody's excited to be looking forward to see Bafana Bafana doing well. So obviously I'll start by saying we wish Bafana Bafana nothing but all the best. We believe they can actually win this one. With the type of team we have, we are very positive. But today, Bafet, I just wanna move a bit and touch on PSL a bit, the rumors that has been happening, and then also touch on the new signing, Stellenbosch, right? If you look at Stellenbosch, I think we want to talk about Stellenbosch that it's slowly becoming a weak team, but we also stated a fact that they have good players, but they tend to sell them because their business model is like they are making money based on them selling players. But actually, it's affecting the coach because a coach will have a good player for one season or two. It's really two, but one, and then these players are gone. We once did mention them, like your Adams, your Pasadena, Undulu, Hambil, and you know, Nomtiano, we feel like Ngega Abe corner for a very long time, and it will affect Stellenbosch. So now Stellenbosch has signed right back Uyost. So I was looking at that signing. I was like, as grown as he is with the experience he have, will he be able to assist Mklampe in Stellenbosch defensive and going forward? For me, I feel like yes. And you might see that maybe Stellenbosch, with the type of model that they have as business wise, for them to be able to release their best players freely and simple, freely, not like free of charge. But I'm just saying it's easy for them to let it go, even though the coach might have wanted to keep them. So I'm saying them getting the player like Uyost, it feels like it could work for them to get these old players because Aniti is like a marriage act. So coming to Stellenbosch with the experience they have, I feel like they could, those type of players that are old and matured and well experienced, I feel like they could actually assist Stellenbosch to come back because hey, they've been having a tough first round of this league. So I hope such signing they need to do more. Those players that are good, but it's like they don't have teams or they're being let go. Stellenbosch can actually use those type of players to actually survive in the PSL. So yeah, that's my 2 cent take, guys. I don't know what you think about those type of players. Stellenbosch should go for them or continue to groom players for other teams, and then Stellenbosch is going to suffer. Which Buffet? So Buffet too, you can leave comments. Ascot. And then the second one, which has been triggering me a bit, is the issue of his striker Orlando Pirates, Umabasa. Yes, some say Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns, I'm gonna start looking at Kaizer Chiefs. If Kaizer Chiefs does Kaizer Chiefs really need this player, this striker? Everyone will say yes, Kaizer Chiefs have a problem of scoring goals, but do we really need that type of a striker? Emabasa. Kaizer Chiefs, is it able to get balls inside 18 area whereby a striker just need to tap in? Will he be a good striker? Look at the type of strikers we have or forward. We have Silva, we have Ikadaro, we have Umayo can play as a striker, even Utuba, even Lilepo. So having a Mabasa, will it work for Kaizer Chiefs? For me, I feel like it won't work. I understand him, we're not scoring goals, but looking at Mabasa, looking at his age, do we really need a player like him? I don't think we need him. I don't think we need him. And in Kaizer Chiefs, I know maybe it's gonna be a free agent, and Kaizer Chiefs will wanna snap him. Actually, I even forgot we have Maurice. Maybe they will think of letting go of Maurice and then bring in Mabasa. But it's more like for me, it's getting rid of Maurice and getting another Maurice 2.0. So for me, I don't feel like Kaizer Chiefs should actually go for Mabasa. Kaizer Chiefs, for me, I still say it. Kaizer Chiefs need a proper coach. We don't have best players, but we have good players. So with the players we have, if they are well coached, for me, I believe they can give us something. We don't need to go sign like rejects from other teams. For me, I feel like we can actually do well with the type of players that we have. So, Buffett, I don't know. You can leave in my comments in the show what you think of PSL transfers and rumors. I'm out of here.